Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So CPI data did cause gold to continue up. We were kind of wondering about that. I mean, originally I was definitely calling this a wave A and a wave B, and I guess it could possibly still be an expanding wave B, and it definitely could still go back down. But at this point, especially if this gold does like the other dollar pairs I believe are going to do, then it seems more likely that gold would actually just keep on going up. I would definitely be keeping an eye on this 78% fib. If it does make a nice break of structure, nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely still take it as a short. I still think we could go back down for a big wave C. This is a wave A, and that this could still be a wave B. But I would be pretty cautious about my shorts. I would have to see a nice break of structure at this Fibonacci level before I would turn into a seller. Otherwise, I would just keep looking for longs. My overall target on gold is definitely above the $2,500 area, so I'm definitely bullish until proven otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.